Hi, it's Andy here at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. We're going to take you around today a delivery mileage, top of the range Volkswagen Transporter. This is the 204 PS BiTDi version with the DSG gearbox and 4Motion. So absolutely top of the tree. And it's got a mega factory spec, plus our full MASV styling kit. Starting at the front here with the lower front spoiler, gloss black pack with contrasting matte badge and the modified 4Motion badge. This Transporter's got the LED headlights and tail lights. It's an expensive option, but a really good one. Makes a huge difference for nighttime driving. Front and rear park sensors too. Also modified the Transporter badge on the side there with the smoked side repeater. 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with Uniroyal Rain Sport tyres all round. It's got sidebars and it's been lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Just firms up the ride a little bit without making it too harsh and helps with the sporty look of the vehicle. Got roof rails on top. Black pack extends to the mirrors and privacy tints to the rear windows. Now this vehicle's got our bespoke leather sport seats with MASV embossing. These are a super seat, very, very comfortable. Beautiful design to them. And just something a bit different to what else is out there. Now I mentioned this is a mega spec, so this has got park assist, which is effectively self-park, heated front seats, and Discover Media navigation. This is all in addition to the standard spec, which on a high line gives you air conditioning, adaptive cruise, park sensors, power folding mirrors, and a heated front screen. The carbon leather steering wheel on this one too. Has also got diff lock and hill descent control, along with a rear camera. So a load of really nice options there. MASV tailored mat in the front, and it is carpeted on the floor in the front cab, which was another option. Moving into the rear through the left-hand side door, it does have twin sliding doors. It's got the 2+1 Kombi rear seating layout, so you can easily access the rear just by tilting up this handle, and in you go. Now as you can see, it's fully carpet lined in the rear and on the tailgate with two downlighters on there, which are perfect for loading in the dark. We've got a suede lined roof with 4 further LED downlighters, really giving a good amount of light into the vehicle. Now we can add extra things such as extra sound deadening and thermal insulation all the way throughout the vehicle from front to back. That's an optional extra. We can also put USB charging points in the B pillars here and at the back if required. This has got the power latching doors. So once it's somewhere near shut and just latches, it pulls the door in. High level rear spoiler here. It's had the Transporter badge debadged off the back for our MASV decals, and also the modified 4Motion badge again, just to match the one on the front. Carbon fibre rear bumper protector. Saves getting any marks when loading in. And the rear camera just there. So being a long wheelbase, this is 40 centimetres longer than the short wheelbase version. And when you add in the height of the vehicle as well, that's a heck of a lot of extra volume. So you can get adult mountain bikes in here, straight onwards. All you got to do is turn the handlebars and they can sit straight in as opposed to having to go on an angle. Lovely sporty stance on these. It's worth mentioning that if you prefer a different set of wheels on this, we can provide that for you. If you have a look at valeurwheels.com, any of their 20-inch wheels suitable for transporter, we can switch for free of charge, just subject to those wheels being in stock with Valeur themselves. Now moving in here, I mentioned it was a delivery mileage vehicle, so just 175 miles from new this is covered. That's purely delivery to us. And there's a better look at the carbon leather steering wheel. Really does finish it off nicely. And as mentioned, diff lock and hill descent control. Diff lock a particularly good option if you're going to be towing or if you're going to be on loose or wet ground. Huge benefit in being able to lock all four wheels up. So that pretty much concludes it. Now we've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on the advert on our website at justnicevans.co.uk. We do take part exchanges and we can supply either business or personal finance on this vehicle subject to status. Please just get in touch if you'd like to know more, and thanks for watching.